We spend a lot of time with each patient sort of talking about what to expect in the recovery and healing process, and that may be very different for different procedures. I think that a lot of the things that we do, plastic surgery-wise, people expect to bounce back and recover pretty quick, and that certainly is the case. I think when we do a breast augmentation, that probably means a few days out of work or a long weekend. And somebody, for most of the things that people do, we can get back to work pretty quickly. When we do something that's, a full mommy makeover, for example, so something that's an abdominoplasty typically, and something breast, whether that's a breast lift, a breast reduction, breast implants, something like that, we're kind of hitting two different parts of the body, so we're adding something bigger, but also an abdominoplasty is a bigger recovery than the breast part of that procedure, and will really dictate what that recovery may look like. But I think that, that even within each patient population, that difference might be different for different people. One person might feel like that they're pretty good at getting back to work and at least working from home. That they might, even within a few days to a week, even after an abdominoplasty, might feel like that they're back to answering emails and phone calls, maybe not putting in a full day's work. But somebody who's, I use the example of a second grade teacher, but where there's inability to take any sort of break, that they're in a room all day with kids that are busy and active, it might take that person 4 or 5 weeks to feel like that they really can put themselves back in that kind of position. We really give them some good expectations ahead of time about what to expect, but I think it's sort of setting the expectations right so people really set aside the right amount of time. And I think also helping them plan for what it means even in those first few days after surgery. So some people have great support at home and have a spouse or a sibling or somebody that's going to really be there and take care of them for some period of time.